Let's take a look at the chart action for Dogecoin. Alright, so we had this rising channel right here, and we had a breakout right here to the downside. And I was saying how I had a limit order at .251, and it actually got filled on Kraken. I actually forgot to put it on Robinhood, so I just put another one there for right now to see if that gets filled, but I'm not sure. I just put another order basically where we're at right now. What I'm thinking is we had this channel right here and we broke to the downside, so that kind of changes the trend pretty much. So I was thinking we could kind of look at something like this. We have kind of like this downward channel, something like maybe like this. We had resistance right here, and then we had some support right here, and we got a little bit of support right here too. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Maybe you could see it a little better, something like this. And yeah, so this is what I'm looking at right now, is maybe something like this falling channel. And so we could pretty much delete these old trend lines because it broke that trend line, and this upward trend is pretty much broken too. So we can kind of focus on something like this possibly. And so right now, let's go to the 1-hour time frame. It kind of looks like we found a little bit of support right here. We could do like a trend line going up like this. That's why I was saying I've just put in an order pretty much right here. And we have like a triangle pattern going something like this. So I'm thinking we could maybe do the bottom to the top of this triangle, something like that, and maybe drag it to the breakout, something like this possibly, if we go to the upside. And we're looking at a target of .465 possibly. And then if we break to the downside, like I was saying, I have that limit order set at .251 just to get that filled because I missed it the first time. So yeah, either way, I'm doing some dollar cost averaging. I did not put all my money in at the top, or I mean up here. I still have positions up here, and I haven't sold them. Let's see if we could break to the upside right here. If we break to the downside, then I'll just accumulate more Dogecoin. But like I was saying, it's possible that we are in this kind of channel, something like this, and when we maybe test this line again, maybe we'll get a bounce, and maybe that's when we want to try to trade that swing trade. In general, yeah, we are in a downtrend, and until we basically break this line right here, I think we are bearish pretty much. And same with like even these trends, we're gonna start developing trends as they go down like this as well. So something like this, but once we break through that, then we might be able to get a little bit bullish and try to get like a little trade maybe in the short term. But what I'm planning on doing in general is just dollar cost averaging, and trading smaller positions just to see if I can kind of get some swing trades. And like I said, that .251, I'm thinking it's gonna hold. I don't know, if I'm not 100% sure, but I'm kind of guessing it might hold support just because we had it all, like pretty much over here. Right here we dipped below it down to around .15. So I mean, you might even do a limit order at .15 just in case we go somewhere, like we get a wick down there. But I don't know, definitely not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing. I think that the swings are really good on Doge. So like I said in the beginning, when I first started trading it, I'm gonna trade it and just do it on Robinhood for fun pretty much, and basically just learn a different chart. But we are in general, I think, in crypto market kind of in a downtrend. Like I was saying on my other video, if we go to the total crypto market cap, I was saying in my total crypto market cap that we had a rising channel like this, and that we had a breakout right here, and I was kind of looking for support maybe right here, and we have wicked down here maybe like twice pretty much. I don't know if we're gonna come down and stay down here. Like I was saying, I kind of want to break through this trend line right here, or even this other trend line right here. It's possible we're getting some support right now. This is the hour time frame. So I mean, kind of something like this. I've been watching this chart probably more than anything, the total crypto market cap, and maybe we're getting some support. Kind of looks like a double bottom. Maybe we can get a nice little bounce in general. So yeah, but I've just been looking, I'm looking at Dogecoin right now, and I see this little kind of triangle pattern that's possible for a breakout to the upside, going to around 0.46, somewhere around there. And then if not, then I'll just accumulate more. Like I said, dollar cost average. I don't put all my eggs in one basket at one spot. So all right, if you guys like that video, hit that thumbs up button.